Hi everyone, I'm Margot McKinnon, founder of Body Harmonics, and today I've got a how-to build-up sequence to something called the side kick kneeling. It's a Pilates classical exercise. It uses what is called the lateral system of support, and we're going to try it. Okay, so follow along. We're going to do one side and then the other, and if you find it gets too difficult, you can stop and wait till we resume on the other side. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to put my hands up on my head and I'm going to start to bend to one side. And I'm thinking about bending through my ribs here especially. Okay. So reaching my head up into my hands. That doesn't look like anything, but I'm trying to feel for that. Little side, 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 and then back up and arms down to my sides. Okay, then I'm going to come down and I'm going to lie on my side here. And I'm going to be up so I can talk to you. You lay your head right down to support it on your arm. So bottom leg is bent, top leg is long, waist is lifted, and you start lifting and lowering your leg. And what you want to feel here is the side of the hip, the side of the hip. Okay, and if you feel it more at the front or deep in the back, try turning your leg a little bit so you feel it right on the side. Okay, so now I'm going to leave the leg in the air. I'm going to flex the foot. And I'm going to swing forward and then point back. And a little swing forward, point back, swing forward, point back, and one more forward, one more back. Then I'm going to lower the leg down. I'm going to come up on my forearm here. I'm going to stretch my legs out long and flex my feet or at my ankles. Ribs pull up here, so that's really important for your shoulder. I'm going to roll slightly forward here, so it really works the underside. Pressing into feet and arm, and I'm going to lift off the ground. I'm going to count 3, 2, 1, and down. Again, ribs lifting, pressing into feet and arm to lift, lift, and count 3, 2, 1, and down. Last one. So ribs pull up again, pressing feet and arm to lift, holding there, 3, 2, 1, and down. Okay, then we're going to come up to tall kneeling. I'm going to tip my ear to one side, and I'm going to go over, and I'm going to hold this position just on my fingertips. All right, and then I'm going to bend my knee, and I'm going to pull back up. Ear again, bending, 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 reaching and reaching the leg, and then reversing, back up. Ear, over I go to hold. This time I'm going to come down on my hand. Ribs are going to press in a little bit, and from the outside of my leg, I lift and lower, and lift and lower. One more time, lift, lower, bending the knee, and reversing back up. Okay, this time, final version, ear to shoulder, bending, tipping, down onto the hand, reaching, other hand up behind, ribs in a little bit at the front, leg lifts, little flex forward, point back. Flex forward, point back. Flex forward, point back. Bend the knee, reverse up. Okay, we go down on the other side now. So down on your side, head supported on hand, bottom leg bent, and top leg long. Okay, so you remember to roll forward a little bit, waist lifts, and just a little lift and lower. Lift this leg. Okay, so from the side of the hip again, right, that's where you want to feel the muscles working. So you turn your leg whichever way you need to feel it right here. Okay, we'll do just a couple more. Little lift, lower, lift, and lower. And then a lift and a hold. Flexing the foot, little swing forward, point back. Swing forward, point back, swing, and swing, and you'll notice there's no change in the torso, just the leg moving here. One more time, forward and back and down. Then I'm gonna come up, supported on forearm, both legs long, feet flexed a little. Okay, ribs lift. Remember, that's super important for your shoulder. And then pressing into feet and arm to lift. Count 3, 2, 1, and down. Lifting again, pressing feet and arm. And up I go. Count 3, 2, 1, and down. Last time, tall through the ribs, and then the press to lift. 3, 2, and 1, and all the way down. Coming up now, tall kneeling, just like on the other side. And I'm gonna start by tipping my ear, bending, bending, bending into the long reach. I'm going to be up on my fingertips here. So ribs press in a little bit and outside of the hip to lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, and lower. One more lift and lower. Then I'm going to bend and I'm going to reverse back up. All right, ear to shoulder again, bending. Over I go, onto the hand, reaching the leg, other hand up on my head. My front ribs press in, right? I lift the leg, flex to kick forward, point back. Flex forward, point back. Again, flex and point. One more flex and point. Bending and reversing up. Tall kneeling with arms at sides. Roll your shoulders here. There's your little build up to side kick kneeling, inspired by Joseph Pilates himself. I hope you feel strong through the sides. I'm sweating here, I'm really warm. So if you like that, please share and make sure you subscribe to our channel and try it again. Try it in pieces, try the whole thing. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.